Even though humans are the only intelligent beings known to exist in the universe, many scientists believe that humans are not alone in this vast cosmos. They believe that there must be various civilizations and intelligent beings apart from humans. Hence, they always ask the question, what if one day we received a signal from extraterrestrial beings? Welcome, I am Ahmed Mahmoud. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to get our videos immediately. Before answering the main question, we need to address another preliminary question. Is the idea of receiving a signal from extraterrestrial beings a significant topic in scientific communities? For instance, does this question come up in conferences? The answer is definitely yes. Astronomers believe that our galaxy alone could host between 1,000 to 100 million civilizations other than human civilization. Thus, they do not find it improbable that one day we might receive such a signal. Since researchers and astronomers take this matter seriously, how might communication occur between this hypothetical civilization and humans? Have we tried to send signals to places where we expect civilizations to exist? The answer is yes. For over 100 years, we have been sending signals both directly and indirectly. Indirectly, because since the era of the telegraph and television, or any device that emits signals, any civilization with the appropriate technology to receive these signals will receive them easily. You might find an alien watching the Champions League finals. Besides, there are the direct and intentional signals we have sent with specific messages, hoping that a civilization will encounter them. Among the most famous of these is the Arecibo message. Now, let's reverse the topic. Have we received any signals of any kind? The answer is yes. We have received many signals, but the problem is that we cannot prove that these signals were actually sent by someone. The Office for Outer Space Affairs regularly issues reports on the signals they receive, which are divided into two categories. The first category includes signals whose source and cause are known. These signals are usually caused by wave interference, reflection from space debris, pulsars, or other celestial bodies. The second category, which is described as unidentified aerial phenomena, includes signals whose sources are not well known. One of the most famous examples in this category is the WOW signal, which caused a huge uproar when it occurred. But regardless of this signal or even its source, should we respond if we actually receive a signal or not? The strangest thing about this whole topic is the contradiction among scientists regarding the response. One group of scientists says we should not respond for our own safety. The reason for this opinion is that if an advanced civilization sent us a message and we responded, the results could be similar to what happened after the discovery of the Americas. The indigenous people, referred to as the Native Americans, faced near total extermination by the European settlers. We cannot guarantee that the civilization's goal is not to befriend us, but rather they might want to take over Earth for themselves. On the other hand, the other group says we should definitely respond to the signal and not miss the opportunity. Imagine all the sciences we could learn from another civilization living on a different planet. Apart from this ongoing and unresolved debate, there is a more important dilemma. If we assume that everyone agrees to respond to the signal, how would we respond in the first place? Although scientists try to send messages in all the world's languages, including computer languages, this does not mean we have solved the language problem. It is possible that intelligent beings might not use human language principles at all. We see on Earth how animals communicate with each other with a language that has no words, symbols, or encryption, yet we do not understand them. Another problem in communicating with hypothetical extraterrestrial beings is the issue of time. The observable universe is vast by all standards. Our galaxy alone is more than 100,000 light-years in diameter. This means that if we created a machine that travels at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to traverse the galaxy. This implies two things. If there is a civilization 150 light years away from us, the earliest message humans sent traveling at the speed of light would take 50 years to reach them. If we assume a civilization 1,000,000 light years away, and we receive their signal, it means that the signal was sent 1,000,000 years ago. If we respond today, the reply will reach them in 1,000,000 years. Finally, based on everything we've discussed, we face what Nicholas Haydeman, director of the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, calls the problem of not having a plan. Simply put, we haven't even solved our own problems, so we wouldn't know how to communicate if a message came. All we have right now is a protocol that requires anyone who discovers a signal not to announce it publicly. This protocol states that no response to any signal or other evidence indicating the existence of intelligent beings outside Earth should be made without international consultation and exchange of opinions. Essentially, this protocol means it is very possible we have received a signal from a civilization, but we, the public, do not know about it because officials keep it secret. Another implication is that even if we receive a signal, we wouldn't know what to do with it. We will think about it when it arrives. That's it. We're done. Who made it this far? You are the best people. Please like the video before you leave so we know how many people reached the end. Don't forget, if you have a question that comes to your mind, write it in the comments under the video so we can answer it. Most of the episodes we make now are based on comments. See you. Good night. Bye.